Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to redeem McDonald's Monopoly 2025 codes and claim your prize.
Step 1. Get the app download or update the McDonald's app on your phone. Step 2. Sign in login or create a McDonald's rewards account. Step 3. Opt in go to the Monopoly game section and register to play. Step 4. Buy eligible items order. Select menu items like Big Mac, fries, nuggets to get game pieces. Step 5. Enter codes peel physical pieces or get digital pieces from app orders. Enter the code in the app to reveal prizes or property pieces. Step 6. Play bonus game. Each code gives a chance to play the bonus play in the app for extra prizes. Step 7. Collect and win complete property sets for big prizes like cash, cars, or trips. Claim instant win prizes directly in the app.